Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Spring Boot configs for production. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the configuration files for your Spring Boot application. These files typically include application.properties or application.yml. Locate the directory where your Spring Boot application is stored. Use a version control system like Git to track changes in your configuration files. Initialize a Git repository in your project folder if you haven't done so already. Run the git init command to set up the repository. Add the configuration files to your repository using the command git add application.properties or git add application.yml. Commit these changes with a message like initial commit of configuration files. For added security, consider creating environment-specific config files. These may include application-profile.properties or application-profile.yml. Ensure sensitive data is not hard-coded in these files. Instead, use environment variables or a secret management system. Now, backup your config files in an external storage service. You can use cloud storage like Google Drive or AWS S3 for this purpose. Upload your configuration files to the chosen storage service. Consider encrypting these files for additional security during the upload process. Document your backup process clearly for future reference. Include details such as where the backups are stored and how to restore them. Lastly, set a reminder to regularly update your backups, especially after configuration changes. This will ensure you always have the latest version of your Spring Boot configurations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.